Good morning, my name is Marie and welcome to my YouTube channel Marilet's World. We are here at Walgreens and there's still time to do your couponing. If you have matching coupons, here are examples of deals to grab this week. You can get your coupons from newspaper inserts, Walgreens apps, coupons.com, and other manufacturers' websites.
L'Oreal Elvive Hair Care 2 for $8. There's a 2 instant coupon on the Walgreens Book of Savings. I'm gonna get these 2. Crest toothpaste or mouthwash, they are $3. If you purchase 3, you get 4 register rewards. We'll get 3 of these. Colgate toothpaste, they are on sale $2.99. When you purchase 2, you get 3,000 points, which is equivalent to $3. Let's get 2 of these. Scott toilet paper, they're $5. There's an instant coupon of $1.25 on the Walgreens Book of Savings. We'll get this last one. Dixie plates, buy one get one free. It's a higher price on this store, but we'll get these last 2. Complete home or nice bags, they are buy one get 2 free, $2.79. We'll get 3 of these. This is my first transaction. 3 scope mouthwash, this is 500 milliliter. I have this digital $5 off 3 Crest toothpaste or mouthwash. 2 Colgate toothpaste.
There's a $3 off 2 Colgate toothpaste digital coupon.
And 4 L'Oreal Elvive Hair Care. I'll use this paper coupon for the L'Oreal Hair Care.
There's a $4 off 2 L'Oreal digital coupon. And there's a $2 off 2 L'Oreal Elvive Hair Care digital coupon.
This is my second transaction, 2 Dixie plates.
There's a $1 off 2 packages of Dixie products digital coupon.
3 storage bags. I pick up a filler $1 wafer, snacks, and Scott toilet paper.
I'm using this $1 off Scott bath tissue digital coupon.
Use this IBC or instant value coupon from the Walgreens Book of Savings.
I'm back from my Walgreens run. There's still time to grab some great deals on paper products like Dixie paper plates and Scott toilet papers. Here are the details of the deals we picked up today.
First transaction: shampoo, conditioner, mouthwash, and toothpaste. This is my receipt. All the store instant coupon applied on the Elvive products, paper coupon, and the digital coupons applied. The total is $14.02 including tax. I received 3 register rewards from purchasing Colgate that I will use on the second transaction. I got 3,000 points for purchasing 3 scope mouthwash. I have this coupon for 5,000 bonus points for purchasing $25 worth of products, making my final cost at $2.02. Second transaction: Scott toilet paper, Dixie plates, storage bags, and nice wafer snacks. This is my receipt. The instant coupon $1.25 for Scott products applied. Digital coupon and paper coupon applied. The total is $7.97 including tax. I redeemed 5,000 points equal to $5 and paid $2.97. Cost of the second transaction is $7.97. The final cost for these 2 transactions combined is $9.99 or 62 cents each.
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and get a chance to save some money at Walgreens this week. If you want to see more videos on couponing, DIY, restoration, and other food-related videos, please subscribe to my channel Marilet's World and check out my playlist. I'll see you on the next deal. Have a great day.